Alexa, tell me a joke.
What do you get when you cross a giraffe with a hedgehog? A 6-foot toothbrush.
Hi guys, it's Andy from NismoTech, and in this video I'm going to be doing a unboxing of a Bluetooth speaker that's been sent to me by the guys over at Tibo Audio. This right here is the Chorus Tap. Now it is not just a standard Bluetooth speaker in the fact that it does have Amazon Alexa built into the speaker. So it means you can use things like Spotify, you can use all the features etc. that you normally get from Alexa. So being able to turn lighting on, power switches etc. A lot of smart tech and a lot of home control. And that's built into this speaker. So on the side here it mentions here that we've got audio streaming of Wi-Fi. So you can connect your iPhone or your Android phone up to this via Wi-Fi and it'll play directly to that. You can connect it via Bluetooth. Also, you can use line in. So you've got a couple of different options there. 15,000 online radio stations. You've also got direct presets for instant playback. And it also has multiplay speaker compatibility. So the other Tibo Audio speakers in the range can connect into this and you can kind of seamlessly have it around your house, which is a really cool feature. So it's a kind of multi-home setup with that Alexa built in. 30 watts in terms of the power, and obviously you've got the dimensions on there as well, obviously the weight, etc. This speaker is normally £100. However, in the link down below in the description, you will find it for $49.99 on offer at the moment, which in my opinion, for a Alexa built-in Bluetooth speaker, that's pretty damn good value for money. So let's go and get it unboxed, have a look at it, give it a little bit of a test. I am going to be doing a couple of other videos with this speaker, so I'm going to be doing a setup guide to show you how to set it all up. I'm also going to be doing one which will include a couple of smart home tech products like lighting, power switches, etc. And I'll see an in-depth review once I've got used to the speaker and I've seen the quality of the speaker. So let's crack on and have a look inside. Okay, so let's now go and have a look and see what the speaker looks like as we get it out of the box and see everything that you get inside. So it's got on here, before using the product for the first time, charge the speaker for 30 minutes or connect to the mains. Everything is very nicely packaged. Oh, and we've got a bit of documentation in up at the top here, so let's have a little look at that. I believe this is going to be your user guide, which is going to tell you how to go about setting everything up. I will be doing a kind of setup guide video for this as well, and also using it on a variety of other videos as well that I'm hoping to bring to the channel. So obviously you've got all the information in terms of how to control the device, etc. In multiple different languages, so that's good to see. We've got the main speaker right here. Pop that down there. Hello to Spotify Premium. Your new device has Spotify Connect built in. So that's good to see, and also you've got a bit of instructions if you don't know how to use that. And then I assume here we're going to have various different cables, so let's just have a quick little look. Okay, so yeah, we've got a European and a UK plug here as well. Just pop that down there and we can have a closer look at the speaker. So in terms of its dimensions, the width is 115 millimeters, depth is 115 millimeters, and the height is 165. So we've got a nice sort of charcoal effect around the outside. Feels really good, really heavy speaker. You've got a variety of different controls up at the top here. Also got a protective cover over the top that will take off shortly. On the back you've got your power connector, you've got your WPS key, and you've also got your line in there as well, so you can connect directly to the speaker. And then on top you've got a variety of different buttons that will go through, etc. A bit of a sort of solid plastic base at the bottom, so obviously it's going to help it sort of stop stop it from vibrating around, and obviously you've got the Tibo logo up at the top there. So that's the speaker itself. I'm going to go and have a little play and connect it up and see what it goes like. Alexa, I am your father.
No, that's not true. That's impossible.
Okay, so I've now got the Tibo Chorus Tap powered up, as you can see by that red light on the top there. Obviously the top section of the speaker is pretty shiny, bit of a fingerprint magnet, but it's quite easy to wipe off. So I'm just going to go and sort of show you and demonstrate to you a couple of the buttons along the top. So 1 all the way through to 5, they're your presets. So obviously that will give you obviously direct action to particular presets that you can set within the app, like radio stations, for example. The group button here is for you to connect to other Tibo smart audio products. So if you have a couple of these connected around the house, or some of the different models, you can also go and connect that in. You've then also got a play, pause and pair button right there. So short press it and it'll play and pause the track. And then if you do a long one, it will then pair a device with Bluetooth. You then got your power button down here. Obviously holding it down long will turn the device on and off, and a short press will toggle between Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and line in. You then got your volume up and down buttons here, and you've then got your touch button which will allow you to talk to Alexa. Alexa, what's the weather like today?
Right now in Arnold, it's 23 degrees Celsius with mostly sunny skies. Throughout the day, you can expect more of the same, with a high of 23 degrees and a low of 9 degrees.
Okay, so I'm just going to show you the mode light here as well. So you press it once, and it'll go blue mode, and tell you that it's in Bluetooth mode.
Line in mode.
That's the line in mode in green.
Wi-Fi mode.
And then back to the Wi-Fi mode. So in terms of applications, I have downloaded the Tibo app here, so you can obviously go through and check out the various different settings. You can play music from your iPhone or from Music Share, etc., and obviously connect it into the various different radio stations and switch it between Bluetooth and line in as well. So it works really, really well. Let's just try and connect to a radio station. Alexa, play Gem 106.
I could not find a station named Gem 106.
Okay, so it can't find my local radio station. Alexa, play something by Bruno Mars.
Shuffling songs by Bruno Mars.
And there we go. So I'm again going to go and have a little bit more time and give you my kind of rough feedback on this speaker, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I've now been playing around with the Tibo Chorus Tap for a couple of hours, been listening to some music, some radio stations, getting a little bit used to using Alexa through the device. One thing that I really like about it is the fact that you do have to touch the device itself to engage Alexa, so it's not constantly listening for you straight away. So for example, if I say, Alexa, what's the weather like today? It's not going to pick it up. You do have to tap it along the top. And when it comes to smart home devices, I think that's personally kind of like a good choice. The fact that you have to activate it in order to get it to respond. So it also means that it's not going to be listening in on your conversation. So for the speaker itself, like I said, it is currently $49.99, which in my opinion is really good value for money. The speaker can go very, very loud indeed. And obviously you've got plenty of options, a lot of customization available. In terms of the setup, I will be doing a setup video separately to this. There will be links down below, down in the description, to show you how to go and set this device up. But in terms of the app on the phone, it's absolutely fantastic, really good, very simple, very easy to use. And obviously you can connect in with your mobile phone with your music, connect into Amazon, connect into Spotify, etc. So overall, for a £50 speaker, it's a fantastic package that you are getting. So like I said, I will be doing a setup guide. I will be doing a more in-depth review once I've got used to the speaker. And also, hopefully we're going to get some more smart home things like lighting, Philips Hue lighting, or cheaper alternatives to that, that we can also use this device to sort of see how things go. And I'm also hoping that, speaking to Tibo, that we might be able to get another couple of speakers like this, so that we can sort of see how the multi-room and the multi-speaker setup actually works and demonstrate that to you. But like I said, there will be links down below in the description to where you can find out more information on this, plus the other videos that I'm going to be doing on this particular product. So if you do like it, and if there's any kind of questions you want to ask me about the product, or any particular videos you'd like me to do with the product, then do let me know down below in the comments section. But for now, it's Andy from NismoTech. This is the Tibo Choros Tap, probably one of the cheapest ways that you can actually get your house connected to the smart tech world.